Hey guys, welcome to Chapter 8, Lesson 3. So we've been practicing multiplying by 6 and 7. So now today we're going to be practicing dividing 6 and 7. So let's get started. All right, example 1. Paco set each picnic table with 6 dinner plates. He used 24 plates to set the tables. How many tables did he set? So we have 24 plates. We're dividing it amongst 6 plates per table. And we want to know how many tables. So if I draw an array, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay. Well, I see I have 4 on this side. And on this side I have 6. So 4 times 6 is 24. Each column represents one table with 6 plates. Ooh, I did it the wrong way. Pretend it's up and down, because column means up and down. Because this would mean 4 plates, so I did it the wrong way. I was supposed to do it the tall way, but they didn't tell me that. So we're going to pretend I'm going to switch this. Row. Each row represents one table with 6 plates. There, I like that better. One table with 6 plates. There are 4 rows. So we know that 6 times 4 is 24, which means there will be 4 tables. Another way, instead of drawing an array, is I could use repeated subtraction. Starting at 24, I would jump down 24 minus 6 to 18 to 12 to 6 to 0. So I made 4 jumps. So I know there are 4 groups of 6 in 24. So 24 divided by 6 is 4. If I write it this way, 24 divided by 6 is 4. My answer goes on top. Paco set 4 tables. Example 2. Mr. Jeremiah has 21 reports to grade. He will grade the same number of reports each day for 7 days. How many reports will he grade each day? So we have 21 divided by 7, or 21 divided by 7. Okay, so I can use inverse operation of multiplication to find the unknown factor. Instead of thinking of 21 divided by 7 equals what, I could think of it as 7 times what is 21. Sorry, saying 27. 21. Okay, well, I know 7, 14, 21. There are 3 7s in 21, which means that 21 divided by 7 is 3. Or my answer would go on top of the division house. The unknown is 3. He will grade 3 reports each day. That'd be nice. Only 3 reports each day. Not a bad job here, Jeremiah. Here we go. Guided practice. Divide. Write a related multiplication fact. So here I have 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 on the side. So I know that 6 times 3 is, well, look at that. 18. And 18 divided by 6 is 3. Because they're related division and multiplication facts. Here, our directions say use repeated subtraction to divide. Draw the arrows. So I'm going to start at 12 and subtract 6. There was 1 jump. There is 2 jumps. So 12 divided by 6 is 2. Or 12 divided by 6 is 2. Number 3 says 7 divided by 7. So that means I'm going to start at 7. And I'm going to take 1 huge jump down to 0 because I have to take away 7. So I made 1 jump here. 7 divided by 7 is 1. Or 1. All right. That's all I have for you for today. Thanks for watching till the very end. And make sure you let me know if you have any questions. We'll talk to you later. Bye.